Hello. Okay. Right now, she may still have a little bit of residual swelling, and so she may change strengths here a couple of times in this first month. So I'll check on it every time I see you, but if you do it once a day, we'll be able to keep an eye on it. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm running some impedances right now, and that's one of the measurements that we did in the OR. It's just activating each electrode to make sure that it's firing correctly. Okay. I'm looking at those measurements. So I'm going to take everything down before I turn the microphone on. And it may be so soft that you don't even hear it at first. I may turn it on and you'll be like, what's going on? Nothing's happening. She would not roll her eyes. You're like, I went through surgery and I can't hear this thing. And then so I'll turn it up as we talk, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Baby girl.
Maybe I fit you.
What do you think?
I like it. Oh, I thought you were giving me another one. Sorry.
That's so exciting.
Do you hear anything else other
Like,
than... Yeah?
Yeah.
The fan, maybe?
And the lights make noise. I didn't know the lights make noise.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Good. I'm glad. Okay. Cool. You're all set.
Awesome.
Got your stuff. This is yours.
Yeah, I'll carry it.
Okay. Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. I'm
Thank
excited
you.
for you guys.
Thanks.
And we will see you on the 8th. Okay. Quiet.
Hey, buddy.
You can hear us, huh? You can hear us. We love that. We're so excited.
There's my big buddy. There's my big buddy.
Sweet baby. Aren't you? Hi.
This is the coolest day ever.
Hi, handsome boy.
There's my boy.
Hey, Bubba.
A U.S. woman got the surprise of her life when her cochlear implant was activated. She got to hear her boyfriend's voice for the first time and, not wanting to waste any time, he got down on one knee so the first words she heard from him were the most important ones. Andrea Diaz had her implant activated during a visit to the University of Mississippi Medical Center, accompanied by her boyfriend. When the audiologist turned the implant on, Diaz was able to hear her boyfriend's voice for the first time. "It sounds funny," she commented. The boyfriend wasted no time. "I wanted to make this one of the first things you hear, because I love you so much and you're my best friend, baby," he said, getting a ring out of his pocket. "I wanted to make the first thing you hear was me asking you to marry me." Diaz, of course, said yes. "I love you, I can hear your voice," she said, in happy tears.
Se pone una banda y el aparato va, pero no le quiero poner a uno y al otro no. Sí, ponle los dos.
I'm curious to see how these little rambunctious munchkins are going to keep that on their head, though.
When they, you know how they're gonna keep it when they realize they're hearing.
Yeah.
They're not gonna want to take it off.
I mean, obviously they are behind because of the lack of language and stimulation. Once they catch up, they'll be just fine. I mean, usually when they have a language delay for whatever reason, you notice that when they get turned like 10, third grade that the reading becomes more complex. That's when you see when the kids that have language delay struggle more with reading comprehension and things like that, but doesn't mean that they won't catch up at some point. Hola. Hola. ¿Me oyes? Hola, papá. Hi, papá. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo se llaman?
Alejandro.
Hola, Alejandro.
Y Daniel, Isaac.
Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Hola. ¿Me oyes? ¿Sí?
Hola.
Desde que se quedaron
¿Cómo
tranquilos.
estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Se quedaron tranquilos.
¿Cómo estás, mi amor? ¿Te gusta?
Alex. Alex. Hola. ¿Qué pasó?
Están quietos.
¿Me oyes? Sí, ahora hola. Mi amor. Se quedaron tranquilos. Isaac. Isaac. Alex.
I think they
Hola.
don't know what to think of it, right?
Hola.
Yeah, but you
A ver,
see how just
pónselo.
their demeanor completely changed.
Yeah.
They are like,
What's going on?
what's going on exactly?
Alejandro.
Mira, mira. Mira, y el que es más, está en una tranquilidad.
Él es el más alborotado.
Sí. Isaac.
Isaac.
Mira,
Mira.
mami. Mira, ¿sí? ¿Te escuchas, mamá?
No sabemos qué es lo que entiende y lo que no entiende. We don't know what they understand, what they don't
Right.
understand.
They don't even know their names.
They don't even know who they are.
No.
As far as like if you call by their names, I
Right.
mean, they know you. Ellos saben quién es, pero a lo mejor él no sabe que su nombre es Isaac, que él es Alejandro.
Yes. He wants it.
Can you do that again? Take it off and see. Take it off. Oh my god, this is so amazing.
¿Te gusta, papi?
This is amazing. Telling him.
That is so cool.
Grossed in what they're doing now. You tricked me.
¿Te gusta? ¿Sí? ¿Te gusta? He's like hypnotized.
תבקשת.
מאוד קרוב כזה.
היא שומעת את עצמה אולי.
זה תגובה מצוינת.
שמת לב, אמא? שהיא הפסיקה להפעיל קולות?
כן, כן.
הקשיבה.
עם העיניים אבל.
כן, מקשיבה. הנה עוד אחד. אני מצאתי צעצוע חדש שלי.